Welcome to the SaaS Marketing Minute from Bailey Digital. Today we are talking about Generative Engine Optimization or GEO to help your SaaS content get discovered by AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. Number 1, content quality. Lead with clear, direct answers in a conversational tone. Match your content to what users are searching for. Think headlines, FAQs, and simple language. Number 2, content maintenance. AI prefers fresh, up-to-date content. Regularly update stats, links, and examples to keep them relevant. Number 3, structured formats. Organize content into question and answer blocks, short sections, and real tables. Number 4, discoverability. Don't just publish on your website, share your content on trusted platforms like Reddit, Quora, and industry directories. In summary, focus on clarity, freshness, structure, and reach to win at GEO. Thanks for tuning in.